Hello and welcome back to the Tech Blackboard. Friends, a lot of our viewers requested to bring a download facility on our website thetechblackboard.com. They wanted to download the question and answer series that we have created so far on various cloud certifications. Well, we took this as an opportunity and completely overhauled the website. As you can see, the website is now completely changed. Now you can visit thetechblackboard.com with a complete new look and design, and more importantly, the website now offers you a download section. Here you can see a download section where you can download all the question and answer series in a PDF format that we have covered so far on various Azure certifications like AZ900, DP900, AI900 and AZ104. Besides that, you can also download the entire updated syllabus on AZ900, also known as Azure Fundamentals. Question and answer series on DP203 is coming soon, along with the Azure cheat sheet. All the downloads are completely free, no cost, nothing. Just click download and start learning. And friends, why to restrict your learning in just offline mode? You can watch YouTube videos on all these series, and for that you have to come to this Q&A section. And here on this page you will find YouTube series on all the Azure certifications, which are full of explanation, concepts and documentation from Microsoft for your self-learning. And then we have also introduced a cloud news section, and this section will keep you posted with the latest happening in the cloud world. The good news is that the website is now fully responsive, which means that it works seamlessly whether you are opening the website from a laptop, mobile, tab or any other screen with any resolution. It gives a consistent interface to provide a better user experience. The website is now fully optimized and delivers a much faster speed to open, and this you can experience on pages like tips and facts. Also on pages like full courses and cloud news. On all these pages, despite the embedded YouTube videos, the web pages open in a fraction of a second. So I hope you will like our efforts to provide you a better learning experience and help you in building a successful cloud career at zero cost. More and more exciting features are coming up soon, so please keep visiting the website more often. So friends, from you I request your support in spreading our website. Like and share our videos and subscribe to the Tech Blackboard YouTube channel. It's you, our viewers, our family who help us scale high and reach more and more people who want to learn cloud. Finally, in the end, as always, I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay fit, keep learning and thanks for watching.